It's a song that I wrote actually about 6 years ago, but we just put this song out to the Texas charts just last week. And I'll tell you what happened the first week out. On the TRRR charts, this song right here was the most downloaded song in Texas. The first week, last week was the most downloaded song in Texas right here. This song right here is called Dancing in the Rain. She can smell those storm clouds rolling in. Takes my hand and gives me a grin. Sticks out her tongue to catch a drop or two. It makes her laugh, so I do it too. She likes dancing in the rain, spinning around in that white sundress. Her shoes kicked off and her hair's a mess. Yeah, the neighbors stop and stare. They think she's crazy, but she don't care. She likes dancing in the rain. She likes dancing in the rain, holding hands on that front porch swing. Lightning flashes across the sky. I see that sparkle in her eye. She likes dancing in the rain. Lying there next to me, the wind and the rain blowing through the tree. She gives me a wink and then a kiss. I wish every night was just like this. She likes dancing in the rain. She likes dancing in the rain, holding hands on that front porch swing. Lightning flashes across the sky. I see that sparkle in her eye. She likes dancing in the rain. Now other girls may want all kinds of things, fancy cars and shiny rings. Well, I'm not saying that she wouldn't care for those things, but I know if I could give her anything at all, she'd just go dancing in the rain, holding hands on that front porch swing. Lightning flashes across the sky. I see that sparkle in her eye. She likes dancing in the rain. When that tin roof starts to sing, man, it drives that girl insane. She likes dancing in the rain. Thank y'all so much, you guys. Thank you. Please go and request that song. It's just started charting on the Texas charts. But like I said last week, man, it was the most downloaded song in Texas right there. Dancing in the Rain by the Darrin Band. Go check it out and request it on your local stations.